Hi kids, today we are going to study about nature words. Do you like nature? Yes, can we start? Yes, come on. Sun, S-U-N, sun. Say with me, S-U-N, sun. Okay, correct. Next one, moon, M-O-O-N, moon. Can you say with me? Moon. Star, S-T-A-R, star. S-T-A-R, star. Next one, tree, T-R-E-E, tree. Tell me, tree. Flowers, F-L-O-W-E-R-S, flowers. Do you like flowers? Which flower you like most? Oh, correct. Yes, I like roses. Then tell me flowers. F-L-O-W-E-R-S, flowers. Next, rain. R-A-I-N. R-A-I-N, rain. Clouds. C-L-O-U-D-S, clouds. Sky. S-K-Y, sky. O-C-E-A-N, ocean. Mountain, M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N, mountain. Say with me kids, mountain. Yes, correct.